Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the theorems in geometry for your 2021 board exam. So let's start. Now first theorem is basic proportionality theorem. A line drawn parallel to any side of a triangle divides the remaining two sides in equal proportion. That's the sentence for that. Now we will prove this theorem. What is given here? That in triangle ABC, your PQ is parallel to BC. Based on that, you have to prove that your AP upon PB is equals to AQ upon QC. Now, for your 2021 board exam, first exercise is omitted. So, in textbook, the proof is given based on that exercise. But here we will deal with different method. For that, we require the construction. Draw a line CR parallel to PB. So we will draw this. I am showing you with the blue color. This I have drawn parallel to this. And according to proof given, this is already parallel. Now, we have to show that these ratios are equal. Now, we can prove that these two triangles are similar. Now, before that, when you concentrate on this quadrilateral BCRP, when you concentrate on this, opposite sides are parallel. So, it's a parallelogram. So, in the solution, very first point we can write, in quadrilateral BCRP, now PR is parallel to BC. This we have not written, it was given. BP is parallel to CR according to construction. So therefore, quadrilateral BCRP is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. Now, I want to show that both these triangles are similar. Now, since these lines are parallel, this angle is congruent to this angle, alternate angle. Now, this angle is congruent to this angle, vertically opposite angle. For proving similarity, we require two angles. So, in triangle APQ and triangle. Now, APQ, I have taken the sequence in this way. Same way you take the sequence CRQ. CRQ. Now, first one, angle PAQ is congruent to angle RCQ. Angle sequence you can write in any way. They are alternate angles. Now, angle PQA is congruent to angle CQR. Vertically opposite angle. I am writing short form, but you have to write the full form. So, triangle APQ is similar to triangle CRQ by AA test of similarity. Now already we have proved that these two triangles are similar. When the triangles are similar, the ratio of corresponding side is always same. So I am writing the ratio of corresponding sides. Now very easy to write this. See, first take these 2 points, then same in other triangle also take the same way the first 2 points. The last 2 points, here also last 2, first and last, first and last. Now, I have already proved that this is a parallelogram. Since BP is equals to CR, they are the opposite sides of parallelogram. Now, so instead of this CR, I can put BP. Therefore, I'll get AP by BP will be equals to, if I'm taking third ratio, any two ratio we can take. So just see, this only we have to prove. Now, Pythagoras theorem. You know what is Pythagoras theorem? It is applicable in right angle triangle. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two perpendicular sides. Now, this theorem we are applying, but now here we have to prove this theorem. Now, for that given and prove I have written construction, draw BD perpendicular to AC. Now, this I have drawn the perpendicular. Now, in right angle triangle, sum of remaining two angles is always 90 degree because already one angle is right angle. So, if I am considering this as x, this will be 90 minus x. You can also show. Same way in this triangle, this is x, this is 90. So, this part is 90 minus x. In this triangle, this side is also 90 degree. So this angle is x. Now we have to prove that this smaller triangle and one of the larger triangle, they are similar by AA test. So first one, in triangle ABC, full triangle I am taking, and upper smaller triangle I am taking. How I have taken ABC? X 90, 90 minus x. So here x 90, 90 minus x. So sequence will be ADB. Now, angle BAC of larger triangle is congruent to BAD of smaller triangle. You can either write common angle or you can write each of x degree because already you have shown. Now, angle ABC is congruent to angle ADB, each of 90 degree. So therefore, your triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB by AA test of similarity. Now, we can write the corresponding sides in the second point. So, your AB upon AD will be equals to BC upon DB, that is equals to AC by AB. They are your corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now, take this first ratio and last ratio and cross multiply. When you cross multiply, AB into AB will give you AB square and AD will get multiplied with AC. Now, similarly you can prove this larger triangle is also similar to this. So, no need to prove again. You can write similarly we can prove triangle ABC, only take the sequence properly. ABC, X, 90, 90 minus X, X, 90, 90 minus X. So BDC. So you will get the ratio AB by BD will be equals to BC by DC will be equals to AC by BC. Now multiply these two. So on cross multiplication we will get BC square equals to DC into AC. And in second equation we got AB square equal to AD into AC. Now add equations second and third. LHS will get added to LHS. Right hand side is AD into AC in the second equation plus DC into AC in your third. Now when you concentrate on the RHS, AC is common in both. So when we take AC common, inside it will be AD plus DC. Now AB square plus BC square will be AC. When you look at the figure, AD plus DC will give you AC. So AB square plus BC square will give you AC square. This is our Pythagoras theorem, that square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. Now we will prove geometric mean theorem. What it is? In right angle triangle, when you draw a perpendicular on the hypotenuse, then square of this perpendicular will be equal to product of the parts into which the hypotenuse is divided. That means BD square equal to AD into DC. As in the previous theorem we discussed, always whenever this case is there, consider the angles with X, 90 minus X. Then it is easier to predict the sequence. Now, as we have done, in the Pythagoras theorem, I have taken one larger triangle and one smaller. But here I will take both the smaller triangles. So, in triangle ADB, always take first sequence randomly. Now, ADB, how I have taken X, 90, 90 minus X. So, here it will be BDC. Now, angle BAD will be congruent to angle DBC according to your consideration, each of X degree. Now, angle ADB is congruent to angle CDB, each of 90 degree. So, therefore, your triangle ADB will be similar to triangle BDC by AA test of similarity. Now, in the second step, we can take the corresponding sides. Their ratio will be AD by BD will be equals to DB by DC will be equal to AB by BC. They are corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now, cross multiply first two. BD or DB, one and the same thing. So, when I multiply, it will be BD square. AD will get multiply with DC. This is our geometric mean theorem. Simply we have proved by using similarity. Students, thanks for watching this video. Now in the next part, we will discuss the remaining theorem. For your 2021 exam, you have to do all these theorems properly and they will be asked in the form of activity. If you have any doubt, comment or mail. Thank you.